Hi everyone, this is Able Phone Repairs. Today I'm going to show you how to repair Samsung B310 network IC. So please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment for more videos. Thanks. So now I'm going to open the phone and change the network IC. It's simple. Whenever you got this work, you don't have to go and touch anything. By removing the sheet, there are two ICs there. The bigger one is processor and the smaller one is the network IC itself. So I'm going to change the network IC and replace a new one from a donor board. But this IC have about 5 categories. But this one here is 6625. 6625. If it is 6625, then I can replace it with 6645. So I'm going to remove it and replace a new one. Now, by doing this kind of job, please take your time. Take your time and do it. And then, because of my camera, the video quality is slow, but please don't mind me. Just watch what I'm doing. So I'm going to remove the network IC and replace a new one from a donor board. So take your time using my hot air 380 C airflow 50. So I have removed the older one. So I'm going to replace the new one. That's how it is. If you change it, it's simple. You don't have to touch anything there. Just change the IC itself. The network will come back again. So I'm replacing a new one. The last time I did this kind of job, it's about 1 year ago. So a person came to me that he has a network problem. I told him I can solve it. He said no, he has taken it another shop and he couldn't. So how can I say, okay, you just give me 10 minutes or 5 minutes, I can replace it. I will change the IC for us. Okay, let's see what you can do. When I opened the phone, only 10 I did. Yeah. Thankfully, that repairer didn't do any micro soldering on the board. So when I open it, I check and I find anything and I change the IC straight and the phone come back. But when you place a new IC, you have to use your DC power supply to check before, because you have to avoid any grounding. If the IC is not compatible with the processor, the power supplier will tell you. So right now I have finished the whole job and I'm putting back the shield and close the phone and put the housing back again. And everything will be fine. So please, this is EPR mobile phone repairs. Please subscribe, share for more videos. Thanks for watching.